Hello friends, today's topic Tata Motor disappoints and Bajaj Finance good results. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Tata Motors quarterly financials. Total sales October-December 2023 1,10,577 crores. October-December 2024 1,13,575 plus 2.7%. Net profit October-December 2023 7,145 crores. October-December 2024 5,578 crores minus 21.9%. Tata Motors last 5 quarters financials. October-December 2023, 1,10,577 crores is the total sales, net profit 7,145 crores. January-March 2024, net profit 17,529 crores. April-June 2024, net profit 5,692 crores. July-September 2024, 3,450 crores is net profit. October-December 2024, net profit 5,578 crores. Weak results for Tata Motors. It was below analyst expectation. Result was announced after market hours yesterday. The stock reacted today by falling by 7%. Jaguar Land Rover faced weak demand in Europe and China. India's commercial vehicle and passenger vehicle demand has slowed down. Tata Motors is facing increased competition in the electric car segment. Tata Motors share price has gone up by more than 100% in 2023. However, 2024, due to profit booking and slightly dull performance, the stock fell by 5% in 2024. So far in January 2025, it has fallen by 5%. Now, the mini fundamental analysis for Tata Motors. 52 weeks high 1179, 52 weeks low 683, current price 700. Returns for an investor: 1 year returns minus 20%, 5 year returns 11%, 10 year returns 34%. Now coming to the results of Bajaj Finance quarterly financials. Total sales October-December 2023 14,164 crores. Now October-December 2024 18,035 crores plus 27%. Net profit has also gone up smartly. October-December 2023 3,639 crores. October-December 2024 4,308 crores plus 18%. Bajaj Finance last 5 quarters financials. October-December 2023 net profit 3,639 crores. January-March 2024 net profit 3,825 crores. April-June 2024 net profit 3,912 crores. July-September 2024 net profit 4,014 crores. October-December 2024 net profit 4,308 crores. Bajaj Finance, the other parameters. Assets under management as on December 2023 3,10,868 crores. As on December 2024 3,98,043 plus 28%. New loans booked as on December 2023 98.6 lakhs, as on December 2024 120.6 lakhs, and percentage change plus 22%. Good results for Bajaj Finance. It was better than analyst expectation. Result was announced after market hours yesterday and the stock reacted today by rising up to 6% but closed only 2.3% higher. Analysts were impressed by the increase in AUM. However, net non-performing assets increased to 0.48% from 0.37%. 52 weeks high 8,251, 52 weeks low 6,188, current price 7,941, returns for an investor: 1 year returns 16%, 5 year returns 13%, 10 year returns 34%. End of the video. Here is the question. Do you hold Tata Motors shares and Bajaj Finance shares in your portfolio? Which shares do you hold? Mention in the comment section. In case you are not a member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.